How's jail?
Better to be out. That's for sure.
You're giving you the opportunity, but I will not do this again. If you pick up a third case, I'm gonna lose it. Do you understand me?
Yes, sir.
Want my streets safe, and I will do everything in my power to protect them. Your lawyer has worked hard to find you a place to go to, and I expect you to go there. I'm putting a monitor on your ankle so I know where you are. You are expected to go there and be there every night by 9 p.m. You understand?
Yes, sir.
If you deviate, if you pick up a new case, if you are a danger, if you don't go back to this place, then I'm going to revoke your bond, put you back in, and you now know no one in this world is going to give you a bond. So you will be stuck in there until these cases are over with. And I don't accept pleas of guilty just to get out. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
This is the one opportunity that you have. Make the most of it. Anything else that you think that we need? Is he taking any medication at this time?
I have not taken any medication.
Or should you be? Have you been diagnosed by a doctor? Have they told?
That was years ago.
Okay.
So it's been a while.
So when you get out, what are you going to do? What are your plans?
Still, that's his house, correct? Mm-hmm. Okay. The idea is to get my ID back and then to be able to find a format of employment.
So this is a great goal to have, and we're going to make sure that it happens. So I'm going to set you off. I'm not going to blindly reset with hopes that you do it. I'm going to keep you close so I see that you actually do it. When you have too much time on your hands, you become self-destructive. So you need something to do. And working is the absolute best because it keeps your mind occupied so you don't start doing things you shouldn't do. And the best thing about it is you make money.
Hey, that's true.
So I'm going to give you 2 weeks and I want to see what you have done to get your ID. Go home, wash the jail funk off you, dress up nice, go get your ID. If you do that, after that, we're going to give you a month to try to help you get a job.
Okay.
Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, none of this just all day. It's not going to happen. Do you understand? All right, make me proud. What time did you get here, Mr. Green?
I think like 9 o'clock, a little bit before, but I didn't know the COVID.
You come late and you come in shorts. Is this a good way to come to court? It's a complete lack of respect. And if you do it again, I'm going to put you out. Do you understand? You are charged with criminal trespass. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one will be appointed to you, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor. On April 22nd, 2025, in Harris County, Texas, law enforcement officers were dispatched to a suspicious person call and made contact with a law enforcement officer working an extra job that stated the complaining witness approached him and stated that her phone was stolen from her front porch by the defendant, who she ID'd and provided a description of. The law enforcement officers found the defendant, who fled inside an apartment and then was detained. Law enforcement officers found the complaining witness's cell phone in the defendant's front jean pocket. The defendant had a prior trespass warning for the location from January 2025.
So you go inside that.
Yes, Your Honor, we just have here that the complaining witness stated her cell phone was stolen from her front porch.
Mr. Green, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. I'm now sending you for a drug test. I want to know what, if anything, is in your system and you're to come right back. Do you understand?
Back to this?
Right. Do you understand? I'm also going to put a GPS monitor on your ankle and I'm ordering you not to go anywhere near this apartment complex. If I find that you do, if I find that you're a weapon, that you have a weapon, if I find that you're a danger to my community, I will revoke your bond and I'm going to make it sky high. You are on felony deferred for a very serious case. Does he have a felony warrant? Why is this showing no bond?
I'm not sure, Judge, but I don't see it come open.
Take a seat for me. We'll have you sent in see you 15 minutes, 20 minutes.
Okay, so for this case, we are set for next week. I've been talking to the state, because we're potentially looking at PTI now. My client is not mentally capable of sitting through a trial right now. She's taking care of her terminally ill mother, and her father recently just passed away. So she's just been like mentally distraught, even with trying to get her to do a
She just
PTI.
wants to be done.
Yeah, so I've been working with her, trying to get her packet in. She hasn't been able to write it. She's just been, obviously,
Any
so,
priors? Or DWI?
no.
No pressure.
You just want to do a time serve or something?
I don't think she wants to do a time service, because, I have to see, I know she didn't want the conviction on there, so
Okay.
just stating saying they would be okay with her doing a PTI. I worked with her over the weekend to get a PTI mitigation package together. They just wanted to know if we could potentially have the setting moved so they can get the packet in and get her enrolled in the program and everything together.
She hasn't been approved for PTI yet.
Yeah.
You still have to get the packet in though.
Yeah, so that's what, I was talking with, the state about. They were saying if we potentially have the setting rolled to that, or,
It's an old case though.
yeah.
No,
I can try and.
you can try what?
I can try and see if I can push get the approval by the trial settings, but I just don't.
We're separate trial.
Yes, Judge.
Oh, no. We're separate trial, we're separate trial. And I mean, she's got to get it done.
Yeah.
I get that there are things that happen, but the case is old, it's a trial. She either has to get it done before then or, no, it's really. Hey, I mean,
Yeah, it's no problem. We know, we have to ask, so.
Sure.
We just wanted to see if the others were perfectly fine. I'm trying to get that in, and I'll work
get
with
it in as soon as possible, because the problem is we're separate trial that day. If you put it in the day before, that's really, we're separate trial. I'm not gonna just move it because she takes too long to get it done. It's not fair to everybody else. So get it in like now, not the day before trial.
Yeah, I'll get it to them and we'll try to get it.
Right, but if you guys turn it in the day before trial, I mean,
It's gonna be sent in today. We just wanted to
Good.
see. But yeah.
yeah, and in that case, as soon as you get it, right, I mean, hopefully, but remember, get in line. I mean, I don't know, maybe you can get it an approval quick. Hey, next time I put you back there, either of you, hey, next time I put you in back. You hear me? Okay,
All right, thank you.
yes, ma'am. So we tested him, guys, right?
Yes, Judge.
And?
He was presumptive positive for THC.
Still using? I don't understand what don't mean, no means no. No means no. How long has it been, Greg? Should the weed have been out of the system or what? When did?
This is where things get real. The judge is clearly frustrated. This wasn't a one-time slip. This was months of ignoring the court's orders. When a judge starts referencing how long a case has been open, it means they're building a pattern of behavior. And in court, patterns matter more than excuses. Would you consider THC use a serious violation or something minor? Let me know below.
Reorder.
I don't remember. I don't have my iPad on me off the top of my head.
Case has been open since December. We reinstated his bond in February.
It was ordered in December as well.
We ordered you since December not to use, and you're still testing positive. It's unacceptable. I'm now revoking your bond. Goes with you?
Your Honor, let me ask you this. Can you give it a couple of days to see what the state's going to do on the mitigation? He does have asthma. That was an issue last time. He doesn't.
He's been ordered since December.
I understand.
not to use. And I told you over and over not to use. And I even reinstated your bond once and you're still testing positive. No,
And
because
this
then
school, you're still at Morton Ranch?
am I supposed to feel bad because he's
mean,
continuing to use, you know?
If it's going to.
That moment right there, the bond revocation, is the turning point of this whole hearing. The judge is sending a message not just to the defendant, but to everyone in the courtroom. Consequences are real. But notice how the lawyer immediately tries to negotiate a softer landing. That's classic defense strategy. Accept the hit, then try to lighten the impact. Do you think it'll work?
To go a certain route and possibly go away, I just ask.
As much as I love you, Greg, if I let him go now, then I'm telling him it's okay for you to do what you're doing. And it's not okay. I warned you repeatedly not to, and you continue to test positive. He goes with you.
May I ask you what the bond is going to be, Your Honor? Or would you consider a couple of days and then reinstate his bond to where if they do give him a PTI so he can do his?
Absolutely. But he needs to know that we mean business, that we're not here
Understand.
flapping our gums for nothing. Because really, I've already reinstated the bond once and he's still doing whatever he wants to do. It's unacceptable.
Okay.
So I'm setting the bond at 5,001. Today's Wednesday. We can roll it to, I guess, Monday. And then I'll talk to him to see if he gets the message and we'll go from there. But
We'll talk in a second.
I'll let him explain to you what we have in mind, but I'm sorry.
Yeah, I know. I know you have heard of that. His even caseworkers had given him drug tests and they explained to him why, you know. He's, I don't know, he explained something, he smoked some, so cigar type marijuana thing, and it was like, you know,
Greg, don't. You know what I mean?
I get it, Judge.
Okay.
I will talk to the state. I will talk to mom. I have one other case I need to talk to you
We'll
about.
talk again on Monday.
Yeah, that's fine. I'm here every day.
All right.
So
Thank you so much for coming.
just give me a second. I'll talk to you.
Thank you so much for.
Here the judge hits on something important. Too much free time can be dangerous for someone trying to rebuild their life. Courts know that structure, work, routines, responsibilities can prevent relapse into old habits. It's interesting how this moment blends real-life coaching with legal consequences. What do you think is the hardest part for someone starting over after jail?
Coming. I appreciate it. And we are too, you know, we really are. It just,
it's gonna be a lesson learned. You know, and like I said, I'm grandma, I've been raising him since 3 months in and out of relationships, so that kind of thing. Yeah, so.
Okay.
Obviously, it's another thing, I have his daughter, I have my granddaughter too that I'm raising, she's 15, so I've had her since NICU. So that,
no,
they're going counseling too for all of that, because they don't know how to let their emotions.
so sorry, but you're doing great. Good job.
You didn't feel like
I'm behind you. Okay, thanks.
I have another case, Takesha Chase. I was going to come to the court without an agreed recommendation to see if the court would consider a deferred adjudication. She has no Texas history. She does have some history out of state.
No, but are you opposed to it, right? And why?
So, Judge, I think we made an offer. It was an offer. Okay, we have planned that. We have one.
How bad are the injuries are we talking? Is it bad? Greg, is it bad?
No, I'm telling you, no. I watched the video. I didn't see anything. In fact, the complaining witness called the cops the day after. It was they were in the drive-thru at Whataburger. Complaining witness hits the back of my client's car. Client's upset. Argument ensues, opens the door. They throw some punches. Okay. Complaining witness does not call the cops that day. One of her family members is either works for a law firm or has something to do with the law firm, and she has her call the cops from the law office the next day. Cops on body cam come to the law office the next day to make the complaint.
That is.
Is your complaining witness asking for max time or something?
She didn't ask him for max.
Right.
And she didn't assess that.
How bad are the injuries?
So, she said there was a blood vessel pop in her eye and redness on her face and eye.
Did you verify that?
So based on injury photos, we do have an injury photo. I'm trying to pull it up.
She has no criminal history, right?
She has out of state, but nothing in Texas. I mean, body cam, I didn't see.
It's nothing violent.
I didn't see anything on body.
I'm
cam.
okay. I'm okay.
Okay,
For sure.
all right. Do you want me to set it for a plea or doing it?
Well, it's 191 days. Is she here now?
She's here now.
Why doesn't we do it?
Okay, I'll do it right now.